To prevent S Pen from being used for navigation gesture on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, first you have to enable block gesture with S Pen option. To do so, swipe down to the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find display. Tap display. Scroll down the screen. Tap navigation bar. Tap more option. And then tap the gray on offset next to block gesture with S Pen until the switch turns blue to turn it on. When this option is on, your phone will prevent your S Pen from being used for navigation gesture. You can choose the setting to help you avoid unwanted gesture when you are drawing or writing with your S Pen near the edge of the screen. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.